All right, these are the elevators here at Sikara, Distrito Urbano in Monterrey, Mexico. These are brilliant. And this elevator is not working at the moment. And in case you're wondering, this plaza is now open. This is now the new plaza, which has been in construction for like 7 years. So the right car is not operational yet. So right here's your MPE. And we're only gonna get this one. We're gonna start off by going up, and it has a rear door. So we're gonna go up to 6, and yet there are some shops that are yet to be built. So the rest of the floors are still don't have a shop yet. But here we are going up. So this is my first time here at the plaza, people, and we have both indicators. And here at 6, which is the top floor. The last floor is dark. We're here, right there's Mitas. We're gonna go down to S5. And here's the floor guide, if you want to read. Parking level 5. Here at S5, and it opens up right here. Look, it's still in construction, so this plaza is the plaza is operational, but it's still not working yet. But we're gonna go up to PD, and we're gonna end it there. Let's get a cab view. Just a nice elevator. Right here on both sides are your buttons and the indicators. And here back at PB. These chimes are very similar to the Mitsubishi ones. And here's the plaza. Here are many places that are yet to be done. And so I think this building right here is probably going to be a hotel, but I'm not so sure yet because many people said that they're going to put a hotel. So yep, here it is, guys. So these shops are yet to be done, and Circus Park, I've never been there. So here right back at PB, and there it goes, and that's it.